guys, this is RTX Meetlug, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can know if someone touches your Android device secretly or not. So do you suspect someone touching your Android device secretly, or basically you want to know if someone touches your Android device secretly but you haven't caught them red-handed, so you aren't sure. So basically, if you want to know that, then you have come to the right place. In this video I'm going to be telling you guys how you can know if someone touches your Android device secretly or not for absolutely free. So there are two ways of doing this. I'm going to be showing you guys the first way. So the first way is basically opening your phone dialer, and let me show you guys, and basically type in this number star hash 4636 hash star hash and one more time star, and then you will enter here testing, phone information 1, phone information 2, battery info, usage statistics, Wi-Fi information. You have to go here to usage statistics, and then here you will get all the applications which you have used and for how much time you have used. You will get this information. So as you can see, I have used YouTube for the most time, 6 hours 56 minutes 58 seconds till now. Basically you need to go on sort by after this and go on last time used, and then you will know which application was used last time and for how much time. So this will let you know if someone touched your Android device secretly and what did he/she do with it, which application did he/she open. This will tell you guys that thing. So yeah, this is how you do it. This was the first way. Let me tell you guys the second way to do this. You need to open the settings, and then you need to go down and go on about phone, and after going on about phone you need to basically press multiple times on this internal memory right here, unless you come here. As you can see, we are back on the same page, testing. Now here you need to go on usage statistics, and then basically sort by same thing, last time used, and then you will get the same thing. As you can see, last time app settings was used for this much time. Through this you will know which application was used last time and for how much time. So this trick works with almost all of the Android devices currently in the market, and also the previous old Android devices which were in the market back in the days. Basically it will work with almost all of the Android devices, as I said. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye for now.